Very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Performance Optimization Simulation Session. Myself, Srijit Kakkar, and today is Sunday, 7th of April, 2019. And these are the trading ideas we will be looking into today. So if you look at the overall trade setup, we have a score of 10 for quality, which makes it as a high quality trade setup, and a score of 4 out of 8 for probability. Therefore, it's a high probability trade setup, makes it as a type 1